Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best pocket scope is probably one of the most versatile and innovative tools you can add to your everyday carry or professional toolkit, offering unparalleled magnification and diagnostic capabilities in a remarkably compact form factor. This pocket-sized marvel is designed to bring the power of detailed inspection and analysis right to your fingertips, whether you're a professional needing to examine intricate components, a hobbyist exploring the microworld, or simply someone who appreciates having a high-quality optical instrument readily available for any situation. Its blend of portability, advanced features, and ease of use makes it an indispensable gadget for anyone who values precision and convenience. Number 5. Carson MicroBrite Plus 60x 120x LED Pocket Microscope. Experience lab-tested accuracy with reliable performance. It offers a powerful 120x optical zoom, ensuring you see every detail with confidence. This compact and lightweight device is the perfect educational toy for on-the-go learning. Take it anywhere for field exploration or classroom experiments. Enhance any science kit with this engaging STEM toy. It encourages hands-on exploration and fosters a deeper understanding of the world around us. The built-in advanced LED system evenly illuminates your specimen. This provides clear vision and accurate observations, even in low light. Adapt to any experiment with its versatile magnification range of 60x to 120x. Achieve stunning accuracy and precision when viewing slides or everyday objects. What we like. This one offers lab-tested accuracy for reliable performance. If you need a portable microscope for educational purposes or classroom labs, this is a great choice. Its bright LED illumination ensures clear views of specimens. What people say. The pocket scope is a great tool for quick inspections. It's very portable and easy to use, fitting right into your pocket. The magnification is surprisingly good for its size. Number 4. Pankoo 16x52 Monocular. Looking for a unique gift for the man in your life? This high-powered monocular is a practical and impressive gadget for any outdoor enthusiast. It's an ideal way to show you care. Experience crystal-clear views with 16x magnification and a 52mm objective lens. It's perfect for all your adventures, from hiking and bird watching to concerts and travel. Our advanced BAK4 prism and fully multi-coated lens deliver high contrast and resolution images. Enjoy brighter, sharper pictures even in low light conditions. Equipped with premium BAK4 optics and super multi-coating, it boasts up to 99.8% light transmittance. Get ready for incredibly clear and sharp visuals. Don't let the weather stop you. This monocular features a sturdy, waterproof, and fog-proof design, filled with high-purity nitrogen. It's ready for any environment. This compact gadget offers powerful performance. It's easy to carry and use, making it a must-have for anyone who loves exploring the outdoors. What we like. With 16x magnification and HD clarity, this offers impressive views of distant objects. If you're an outdoor enthusiast looking for a gift for him, this is perfect for birdwatching, hiking, or concerts. Its waterproof design means you can use it in any weather. What people say. The pocket scope is a compact and portable device, making it easy to carry around. Its intuitive design allows for quick setup and operation, even for beginners. The pocket scope offers excellent magnification for detailed observation of small objects. Number 3. Carson MicroMini 20x Lighted Pocket Microscope. This powerful miniature microscope is conveniently sized to fit in your pocket. It offers an impressive 20x magnification and includes UV lighting for detailed examination. It's perfect for students and educators, bringing lessons to life with detailed specimen examination. Easily take it on field trips for hands-on learning. This device features both UV lighting and a built-in LED flashlight. The UV light is especially useful for detecting fluorescence in items like currency or biological samples. Its keychain feature makes it incredibly portable, perfect for impromptu inspections. You can easily adjust focus for clarity wherever you go. Choose from vibrant orange, blue, or green color options. This selection is for the eye-catching orange model. What we like. This miniature microscope packs a punch with 20x magnification and a handy UV light. If you need a portable tool for quick inspections or educational field trips, its keychain design makes it incredibly convenient. The UV light is especially useful for detecting fluorescence. What people say. The pocket scope is a great tool for quick inspections. It's very portable and easy to use. The magnification is surprisingly good for its size. Number 2. Carson X-Scope Kid 7-Function Multi-Purpose Optical Pocket Tool. Discover the wonders around you with this amazing 7-in-1 optical tool. It's designed for young explorers to learn and have fun. Get a closer look at the tiny details with the powerful 30x microscope. See things you've never seen before. Explore the night sky or distant objects with the 8x telescope. The universe is waiting for you to discover it. Never lose your way with the built-in compass. Plus, a handy magnifier helps you read maps or examine small items. Adventure anytime, day or night, with the bright LED flashlight. It's perfect for exploring in any condition. Keep track of time with the integrated digital clock. It's always good to know when it's time for your next adventure. Compact, lightweight, and easy to use, this tool is ready for any adventure. It's the perfect gift for curious kids. What we like. This is a fantastic all-in-one optical tool for young explorers. If you're looking for a gift that encourages learning and adventure, it includes a microscope, telescope, compass, and more. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy for kids to carry and use. What people say. The pocket scope is a great tool for quick visual inspections. It's incredibly portable and fits easily in a pocket or tool bag. The magnification is surprisingly good for its size, allowing for detailed examination of small objects. Number 1. Mini Pocket Monocular Telescope 7x18. Introducing a compact monocular telescope, perfect for both adults and kids. Its mini pocket size makes it incredibly portable for any adventure. Experience superior light transmission and brightness thanks to its multi-coated optics. Enjoy sharp, clear views every time you look through it. Forget bulky binoculars. This device is over half the size and weight, easily slipping into your pocket or attaching to your bag. You'll always have space for it. Whether you're birdwatching, camping, or at a concert, this high-power monocular is your ideal companion. It's also a great gift for any occasion. Easily adjust the focus and zoom for a personalized viewing experience. Get the perfect shot with its 7x magnification. We prioritize product quality and your shopping experience. Enjoy a low-risk purchase with excellent customer service. What we like. This is the smallest and most affordable monocular telescope available. If you need a compact and lightweight option for casual viewing on the go, this is ideal. Its adjustable focus and multi-coated optics provide clear views without the bulk of traditional binoculars. What people say. The pocket scope is a compact and portable device, making it easy to carry around. It offers a clear and magnified view, allowing for detailed observation of small objects. The built-in LED light illuminates the subject, improving visibility in various lighting conditions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.